Friends, so in that video we have to see how to place the reinforcement in the column and in the column footing. So now I want to place the reinforcement for this footing. I have to select this footing, go to rebar. Okay, and now I go to one of the elevation, and I'm selecting this bar. From here you can adjust the diameter of the bar or which type of bar you want. I'm selecting this at this position. By here you can select the number of spacing. Suppose I want 150 spacing with 10 bars, just like that. Select the bar. Suppose I have select 10 bars of 150 diameter, or 150 thickness. Spacing. The bars are placed here. Okay, so just like that, in X direction also we want to place the bars. So I have to move to another elevation. Now I want to place bars. I'm placing this bar, and now as per the same that we have done, suppose I want to want enter 7 bar, then it would be like that. If I want to change the number of bars, then I can change from here, like that. So here you can see the bars are placed in X direction and Y direction. So now I want to place the bars in that column. I'm going to level 1. I'm selecting this column, rebar. I have to put the stirrups as well as the main bars here. I have to place. Suppose I have isolated this element. Now I want to place the rebars in it. I'm selecting this one. Like I want to set the rebars like that. By that position you can change the number of bars as we want. Sorry. Just like that you can see the bars are placed. Now I want more bars in that. I have to change the number of bars. See, the stirrups are changed. By the calculation you can decide that what number of the stirrups you want. So you can see the stirrups are placed. Now I want to place the main bar in it. So I'm go for the main bars. I'm selecting the bars. Now the placement of the column is, I have to change. I have to put this perpendicular. Now the bars are different. So I want to change one bar. Place one here. So in 3D view you can see the bars also are placed. Just like that you can place the reinforcement in the column and footing.